Hello, good morning. With me Rizka, customer service from PT Laskar. Can I help?
Yes, I have selected your company many times, but no one has come up with a better solution.
We apologize for what happened. So is three I think we can do to help.
The Sus product that I bought doesn't fit. I want it to be replaced with a new one for my money back.
We apologize for what happened, but sorry, we can exchange the item you have about and news, and we also can return you money. But I will have a solution. You can do an action with the item you want.
Huh? How is trying to explain?
So we have this discount coupon you can use to buy good it or company it a low fridge.
Oh, so since early no one said that they just said it can be returned. It's good to exchange if you can go directly to our work marketplace. Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.